Alright, this was our most missed question from Tangents to Circles, problem set in Khan Academy. This is one that if we would have been in as a whole class, I think you would have had no problem. There's really one big key connection to this type of problem, and that is that these distances, when we have two tangents that intersect outside of the circle, alright, what we're going to have is those two segments are going to be congruent. So we know those two are congruent, we know these two are congruent, and we know these two are congruent. Now what that typically allows me to do is pick one starting point, one of those segments we know, and walk around the problem. What I mean by that is we're going to start here with this 10. So if I walk around the problem, that tells me that this side has to be 10 as well. Alright, now if I keep walking, we've got 10 of the 24 used. That's going to leave me with 14 for this section. Then if I go from that 14, that's congruent to this one, so this is a 14 as well. Alright, then from that 14 I go over, I've got a 5. And then if I carry that 5 over to this spot, this has to be 5 as well. So by picking one starting point, we were able to walk our way around the object and find each segment we needed. Now, this asks for perimeter. So a perimeter, I'm going to add up the sides. So I've got 2 of the 10s, so 10 plus 10. I've got 2 of the 14s, 14 plus 14. And I've got 2 of the 5s, so 5 plus 5. Alright, so that's going to be 20 plus 28 plus 10, which is going to be 58. So our perimeter in this problem is going to be 58 units, whatever those units would be. Alright, again, I think you would have totally had this one had we talked about it in class together. But that's what these little walkthroughs are for, to kind of show you some of those connections that we might not see right away in one of the videos. Hope that was helpful. See you soon.